Free money from the government for first-time home buyers. See how you apply for this. Make sure you stay tuned to this episode of Prime Property TV. I promise you it'll be worth it. Good day, Toronto. Welcome to another episode of Prime Property TV. I'm so glad you could join us here. Recently, I've been getting a lot of requests to do my market recap of the year again, so don't worry. I'll definitely be doing that as we're rolling up to Christmas very, very soon. I'll be posting those videos in the coming weeks, so make sure to stay tuned. Another one I'll be doing is I'll be doing my annual prediction, so sometime next year around this time, I can sound really, really smart or like a total idiot. We'll see. Okay, so in today's episode, we're going to wrap up the final perks of being a first-time home buyer. We already went through the first two in the previous videos, and I'll finish off today with the last one. If you want to check those two out, I'll put them in the description below for you so you can access them, okay? The last one we're going to talk about is the first-time home buyer's tax credit. You're basically gifted a non-refundable $750 tax credit from the government if you're a first-time home buyer. It really isn't a whole huge amount compared to the RRSP or the land transfer tax rebate that we spoke about in the previous video, but it is still some money. So what you need to understand is that this is not really a rebate, or is it really borrowing it from yourself, or is it really a refund? A la the real accountant in the household, the fiance, this is a non-refundable tax credit. And what this means is the government is essentially gifting you $750 to spend on your taxes if, big if, you owe taxes. That's a big difference if you owe taxes. If you get a refund each year in April from taxes, this likely won't do anything because this is a non-refundable amount, which means that if it bring your taxes below that you owe to zero, this doesn't really do anything. Whereas if it does go below zero, that's when you're eligible for a rebate. But this is not that case, so it doesn't work. Credits don't benefit everybody, just so we're clear. So the common question I get regarding this tax credit is, can my spouse and I both claim this amount? And the answer is yes. You both can claim this tax credit assuming it is of some benefit to you both. The property purchase can have up to $5,000 for the first-time home buyer's tax credit. So technically, you can have 6 2/3 of a person on that if there were that many buyers on title. And before we wrap this up, wanted to give a huge shout out to the fiance for being the accountant encyclopedia for the last 3 episodes for this, and I hope that it's helped all of you guys. And if you're a first-time home buyer, make sure you utilize all of these perks that you have. Thank you guys for watching. If you learned something in this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like these videos, make sure to subscribe to Prime Property TV. The button is right here. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can contact me directly. And please remember, guys, subscribe to the Prime Property TV VIP mailing list so you can get weekly goodies and first access to good investment opportunities. It's in the description below for you. If you have any questions, again, just reach out to me. And remember, please share this with your family and friends. And until next time, happy real estating. Free money from the government. Make sure you subscribe.